Hi, Margaret Bryce here. Today I want to talk about what stands for PBA. PBA is Personal Business Assistant. This is a benefit that you have when you join me inside of the Prosperity team. It's a benefit that we have inside the Prosperity team. Not anyone else from Empower Network has this benefit. It's just for the Prosperity team. It's a group of assistants that we have that are able to close our sales and upsell our customers. So if you don't like to talk on the phone, or you don't know how to close a sale, that's what they do. They are trained, and they are trained, and that's the way that they collect from each sales that they do. So that's what they do, and I hope you join us in the Prosperity team to be part and to be able to use this wonderful service. Thank you, and see you in the inside.